Like coming back around again, so I think in maybe like 2 weeks I can start implementing weights again, and that will be fire. Okay, that was one. Okay, let's go again. Oh my god, ladies, let's talk diet for a second. Okay, and the Velveeta is not for me, it's for Cyrus, and you know, they got Cheetos, they got all kinds of different flavors. I've never seen these before. Anyway, I got these for Cyrus, but let's talk diet for real, ladies. Like, this is fucking hard. Because obviously my diet has been crap. Like, look at all this. Look at it. Hickory brown sugar, wild or mild BBQ, fajitas, some cute Japanese like hot sauces, like fire. And then look at this, ladies. I am keeping everything stocked and everything like considerably organized. I still want to make some fufu. I'm probably going to make that tomorrow. This literally is the cookies for Cyrus, and then some mashed potatoes that we had, some tortillas. But look at, oh yeah, these are more cookies for her. But literally, like, this is the tofu. This is the blueberries and peaches. Like, these back here are beets. All of this is like beans and rice. Back there, some beans and rice, and probably some more meat. But I'm keeping all of my ingredients like separated because I just get these ideas. And then hashtag I've been eating more tomatoes, and they're actually quite sweet. I got an orange. I have 2 more oranges. I have more salads. But yeah, ladies, I'm actually sticking to the plan this time. I think honestly, I think this is the last bit of the meat that I have, and some fish. Honest to God, ladies, honest to God. So I'm trying to implement more fruits and more vegetables into my diet. And then yogurt is really good for you. It's really, and it's like really filling. So definitely putting that there. And I use my air fryer a lot. This is so fire. I bought this July 4th. And I wrote this because I was really not sure what kind of foods that I liked, you know? So this is kind of a way for me to like dive in and really understand what my diet is consisting of. This is my blender. This is my water boiler. my rice cooker, and my air fryer. Best buy I've made in 2024 is this and my little cups. I love them. So I'm gonna see, how do I want to organize this? This is my biggest hurdle, is keeping my refrigerator organized at all times, because it's more inviting that way, and then I'm gonna want to eat, you know what I mean? And that's better than buying food, fast foods, door dashing all the time, and not staying consistent with my diet. So, and we already know, ladies, that when we are not consistent, our energy just plummets. So I'm trying not to do that. And it's just like these little things, honestly, are the hugest changes. Actually, I should get rid of these too. I have stuff to make my own. It's literally just, I'm starting to put more energy into my food, honestly. Yeah, hashtag no hype. But this is how I'm doing it, ladies. I'm really excited because my energy is changing, and I feel like when I'm running now, I have more body control, which is a small win, but it's a win. You know what I'm saying? A win is a win. So yeah. Make some ginger tea tonight, put some lemon in it. It's gonna be fire. And the idea is to have energy and a good diet and gradually go back into lifting weights, because I do not want to hurt myself and I want to lose weight. You feel me, ladies? So, and this isn't my first time working out and being consistent. So hashtag, I kind of know a little bit about my body. I kind of know a little bit about working out. But this time I really just want to showcase from the start. Yeah. So it's organized. All right, let's keep this going.